Hello, boys and girls. This is Mrs. Jacobs, and today I will be teaching you how to subtract across zeros. We will still be using the regrouping method or the standard algorithm, but subtract across zeros means that one or both of our numbers will have zeros. Either in a few places or a lot of places, there will be zeros. And I think we need to revisit this lesson because some of us don't know what to do when we need to regroup from a zero. So we're going to take a look at that today. We discovered and we know that 110 equals 10 ones, 100 is equal to 10 tens, 1,000 is equal to 10 hundreds, 10,000 is equal to 10 thousands, and 100,000 is equal to 10 10,000s. And then we realized how this was related to how and why regrouping works. And that's why the magic number is 10 all the time. Okay, so we're going to look at how we're going to regroup across zeros. In order to be successful, we have to still make sure of the following things: that we align digits properly according to place value so that we can subtract correctly. We also need to know when it is necessary to regroup and when it is not. And finally, we're still going to be using the inverse operation of addition as a way to check our work and to avoid careless mistakes for accuracy. So we're going to start by subtracting when I have one or more zeros involved. Okay. Again, we're still regrouping, taking it one place at a time. So first, remember that we always still start at the ones place. So if I have 0, I cannot take 7 because I have nothing. So I have 0 ones, but I want to take 7 ones away. I cannot do that. So I go to the 6 and I'm going to take 110 away, and that is a 5. Now I have 5 tens. However, that 110 that I took, I'm going to regroup it as 10 ones. That's why I'm going to add 10 to 0. 10 plus 0 is 10. Now I do have enough ones to take 7 ones away. 10 take away 7 is 3. Now we're left with a 5 in the tens place. However, I want to take 6 tens away. Since I cannot do that, I would regroup. Go to the hundreds place, make it a 7, make this 10 more. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 take away 6 is 9. 7 take away 3 is 4. No regrouping necessary. But when I get to the thousands place, I see 4,000 take away 5,000. Now I cannot do that, so I go to the 5 in the 10,000s place, take 10,000 away, add 10 to the 4, makes it 14. 14 take away 5 is 9. Since I cannot do 4 10,000s take away 7 10,000s, I go to the 7 in the 100,000s place, make it a 6. And now add 10 to the 4, it becomes 14. 14 take away 7 is 7. And 6 take away 1 is 5. Now to check our work, I'm going to take the difference of 579,493 and I'm going to add it to 175,367, and hopefully we're going to get the sum of 754,860. Regroup. 9 plus 1 is 10, plus 6 is 16. Regroup. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So far looking good. 9 plus 5 is 14, put the 4, regroup. 7 plus 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15, regroup. 1 plus 5 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So we can see that the difference is accurate. 579,493 is an accurate answer. Let's now move on to the next example. We're started at the ones place. But I notice 0 take away 0. Well, if I have nothing and I take away nothing, I still have nothing. So that would still stay a 0. I do not need to regroup every time I see a 0. It depends on what number is underneath it. So 0 take away 0 is 0. If I have 4, I cannot take 6 away. So I would need to go to the hundreds place. But look here, if I go to the hundreds place, is a 0. How can I take 1 away if I have nothing? I have 0. Well, this is a special case. It means that you have to go to the next place and regroup so that we can get enough for the tens place. So watch what I'm going to do. So since there's a 0 in the hundreds place, I have to skip that place and go to the next one, which is the thousands place. So I'm going to take 1,000 away from the 8 and make it 7,000. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to give that 10, right? That 1,000 I took away is now 10 hundredths. Now I'm going to add 10 to the 0. Now you're going to say, well, Mrs. Jacobs, we still didn't figure out an answer for the tens place. Well, now when we're in the tens place, I know we have 4, but we can't still take 6 away. But guess what? Our neighbor now has enough hundreds for us to take 1 away. So I'm going to take 100 away and make this a 9. And then this becomes 14. 14 take away 6 is 8. 9 take away 7 is 2. We cannot take 9 from 7, so we're going to go to this 5, make it a 4, and make this 17. 17 take away 9 is 8. We could not subtract 9 from 4, so I'm going to cross this out, make this a 4, this becomes 14. 14 take away 9 is 5. 4 take away nothing, or 0, right? 4 take away nothing, or 4 take away 0 is 4. So our difference is 458,280. We're going to check with addition, making sure we're lining up the place values. 14, regroup. 10, regroup. 18, regroup. 15, regroup. So it does check out. So this is an accurate answer. All right, now what happens when I have a whole bunch of zeros up at the top, right? So if I go to the ones place, I have 0. Can I take 4 away? No. So I go to tens. Hey, tens, give me 1. Can't. I have nothing. All right, let me keep going. Hundreds. Nope, got nothing for you. So now we go to the thousands. And what happens is we take 1,000 away and we make it a 1. Oops, that looks like an 11. Oh, let me erase that. 1. Now what we do is we take that 1,000 away and it becomes 10 hundredths. So we add 10 to the 0 and it becomes 10. Still doesn't help us, right? We need to get more in the ones place. So we got to keep on carrying this down. So what happens is now we could take 100 away, make it 9, and make this 10. And that still doesn't help us. But good news, because now our tens place has enough tens for me to take 1 away. So now I'm going to take 1 away and add 10 to 0 and get 10. Now 10 take away 4 is 6. 9 take away 3 is 6. 9 take away 6 is 3. Now I'm in the thousands place and I cannot take 6 from 1, so I go to the 3, make it a 2, and add 10 to 1, and I get 11. 11 take away 6 is 5. 2 take away 1 is 1. 8 take away 1 is 7. So the difference is 715,366. Check my work. $832,000. This makes this an accurate answer. All right, we're going to do a few more, and then I will have you do some yourself, and you can pause the video at that point later on and then check your answers. Okay, so let's continue. 0 take away 0, 0. No need to regroup. However, when I get to the tens place, I have 0, but I want to take 6 away. Go to my hundreds, they have nothing for me. So I go to my thousands, still nothing. So that means I have to go to the 8. And what's going to happen is I'm going to take 10,000 away. But now what we're going to do is we're going to keep taking and making it go all the way down. So I'm going to keep on regrouping until I do have enough in the tens place, right? So right now I can only regroup to one place at a time. So now this will become a 10. However, it still doesn't help because now I still have 0 take away 6 and I can't do that. So I go to my hundreds place. Nope, got nothing for you. Oh, go to my thousands place. Now I do have enough. So I'm going to take 1 away and this becomes 9. And now this becomes 10. All right, so now I'm going to do 0 take away 6. I can't do it. So now I go to my hundreds place. But this time now I have 10 there, not 0 anymore. So now I could take one of them away, make this a 9, and now this becomes a 10. 10 take away 6 is 4. 9 take away 5 is 4. 9 take away 9 is 0. And 7 take away 7 is 0. So really, our difference is 440. Now let's check our work. We're going to take 440 and we're going to add, and I'm just going to work backwards to make sure that I line up my place values. And we're going to see 80,000. Okay, next one. If I have 0, I cannot take 7 away. So I go to the tens, nothing for me. Go to the hundreds, nothing for me. So I go to the thousands. I cross the 7 out, take 1,000 away. Make this a 10. Oh, still doesn't help me. I have 0. Can I take 7 away? No. Go next door, nothing. Oh, but now when I go to the hundreds place, I can take 1 away. And now this becomes a 10. Now I say 0, take away 7, can't do, go next door. Now the tens place now has a 10 there. Cross 1 out, take 1 away, add 10. 10, subtract 7 is 3, 9 subtract 6, 3, 9 take away 9, 0, 6 take away 0 is 6, 5 take away 4 is 1. 16,033. Check my work using addition. 57,000. Okay, next one. Ooh, now we have a lot more zeros. 0 take away 4. Nope. Go to the tens for help. Nope. Nothing there. Go to the hundreds for help. Nope. Go to the thousands. Still nothing. 10,000s. Nothing. Wow, we have to go to the 100,000s, and we're going to make that a 5, and now this one becomes 10. Now we're going back to the ones place. Nope. Can't do it. Right? So we go no, go to the tens place, no, hundreds place, no, thousands place, no. Ooh, we can go to the 10,000s place, cross it out, make one less. This becomes 10. Okay, so we got to keep bringing that regrouping down till we have enough in the ones place. So right now, we're going to cross this 10 out, make it a 9. Now this becomes 10. Still doesn't help. Take one away, this one becomes 10. Now, if I have 0, I still can't take 4 away. However, the tens place has 10. I could take one away, make it a 9. And now this becomes 10. 10 take away 4 is 6. 9 take away 6 is 3. 9 take away 1 is 8. 5 take away 3 is 2. 283,336. 600,000. Okay, now you're going to try these. So put these in your notebook and try them yourself. So you can pause the video. Now you're going to assess yourself. Okay, and these are the answers to your independent work that you just did. So assess yourself. Okay, so the first answer, the difference is 7,341. The second question, the difference is 50,211. And the third question, the difference is 321,717. So please see and check how you did. Go back and make sure you use addition to check your subtraction work. And thank you for joining me today.